The fire was hungry and we were the lid. No.
This song, lyrics, music, everything is AI generated. And you can do the same with this simple to use tool, which helps you to write lyrics, set a style, provide your own voice for reference, and you can generate a song. It can also be imported to Logic Pro into multi-track, and you can mix and match right from here. You are able to edit the music, region editing, extend the music, split individual tracks from YouTube link or file upload. Also, you can trim with precision. And I'm going to take you through step by step. Even if you're an absolute beginner or never know about music composition, you are able to compose music directly using this. You can generate lyrics, everything is inbuilt. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. Mureka AI now released version 8, release ready AI music. And thanks to Mureka AI for sponsoring this video. They are releasing loads of cool new features. First, I want to show you how you can create music. So first, sign up to Mureka.ai, which I'll put the link in the description for you to sign up. Once after you do that, click create music. Then first step, if you don't know about lyrics, how to create lyrics, go to generate lyrics. There you can give your input idea. Let's say transformation to higher level. And then I'm going to click generate lyrics. Now it's generating the lyrics. As you can see here, verse, chorus, another verse, bridge, chorus and outro. That's all done now. So if you want to change anything, if you want to change any section or want to write a new line, or even if you want to optimize the lyrics, it can do it for me. As you can see here, it's now optimizing it for me. So now it's all ready. Now I'm going to use this lyrics. Now I need to provide a style. So in the style area, I'm saying R&B, breathy vocals, soulful, female vocals. I'm going to choose female and the song title. You have predefined templates which you can choose from. And then finally click create. Now you can see it's automatically generating two versions for me, which I can try it out. And it took approximately 1.5 minutes and it's now ready. So you got a few options here. I can publish, share, download. For now, I'm going to play and see how it's going to look like. So playing the first one.
The old skin cracks beneath the relentless sun. The heavy armor drops where the race was run. To a light that I have never shown. Ascending through the layers of a silence. To where the spirit finds a sharper sight.
That is really nice. So I'm not going to play everything, but you get the point. These are really sounding like a real human singing and properly mastered as well, which we'll be seeing soon. So you can directly publish from here if you want to, so that others can listen to this. Next, I want to show you how you can give melody ideas, and based on that, you can generate a song. And also you can give your own vocal. So here, as soon as you click vocal, you can see multiple examples here. So here's one example.
I dreamed of crafting.
There's another voice.
I dreamed of crafting a song.
So probably I'm going to choose this voice. So when you provide a reference voice, automatically this takes the priority rather than the style. So you can refer even to any YouTube link. So if you want any specific type of song, the feel of it, you can provide the YouTube link and this will automatically generate the song based on that specific feel. So now I've added this reference. You can also sing your own voice and then give a reference. And this will automatically take that as a reference. So I'm going to delete this style because I want to take the same style from the original one and removing the gender as well. And I'm going to name it as number 2 and create. So give any voice or tones as a reference and it can automatically replicate that for you. And it's getting generated now. Now it's ready. Let's listen to this.
The old skin cracks beneath the relentless sun. The heavy armor drops where the race was run. A sudden stillness takes the place of the roar.
It used the voice which was provided as a reference. Even if I provide my voice, that'll be used as a reference. So that is the important second feature which I want to show you. And the third important thing, now we can divide this into multiple tracks, which is giving us a flexibility to edit any part of the song, even any instrument. You can remove an instrument, add an instrument. So to do that, I'm going to download, click download. There it'll ask download instrumental and stem. So stem means is separate layers. So I'm going to download that. Now it got downloaded. You can see all the list like bass, drums, instrumental, other vocals, everything is here. So now we are going to import that into Logic Pro. So let's open a empty logic of the project. Now it's importing. As you can see here, now everything is in multiple layer. That is a brilliant. So let's play this.
Shadows retreat from the iron throne. We march through the valley of silent fear. Now the horizon is finally clear. The weight of the armor is cast aside, with nothing left for the soul to hide. We count the miles in the pour.
So you can edit anything separately. Even if you want to remove the drums and add a separate drums, you can add it. Even you can remove the vocals separately and take only the instrument and then sing with your own voice. That is really nice. So overall, this is really brilliant. And apart from these, we are able to perform music edit. So go to music edit. I want region editing. So going in there, I can either upload a file, or from YouTube I can just edit a portion of a song. And that is also available from our generated song that is here. I can just click edit, region edit, and I can choose the region. And if I want to change the lyrics, I can just change the lyrics and then regenerate. So only this region will get affected. Everything else remains the same. Similarly, you can change the whole lyrics in a different language and ask it to sing, and it can sing it for you. And there is one more option, extend and trim. Extend is for extending the song, and trim is for trimming the song. Overall, I'm really impressed with this. So do try and let me know in the comments below what you think about this. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe, and thanks.